was your motivation for doing it? You know, you talked about, why needing this question. What were the things that triggered it
for me
in your 40s, to do that?
So I always knew I was going to get my doctorate from the time I was in college and then got my master's degree. But then it sort of went on a back burner when I started working and got married and had kids. And then that back burner was so far away, I almost forgot about it. And then it came to a point that a lot of things happened, but one of the things that happened was we were launching a new student information system. And I was there because of my previous role in all of the meetings, and I could see that what was not going to work. And I knew how to fix it, and I knew it would be the correct way, but I didn't know why it was the correct way. I couldn't answer that why question. And I tell people, it's as if you go to a doctor, they know what medicine to prescribe, but they don't know how that medicine works. I needed to know how the medicine worked. And I needed to figure that out, right? So all of these things, so I could rely less on intuition and know that there's actually some science behind it. And I decided it's now or never. So I applied to only 2 schools because I knew that what I wanted to study was extremely competitive. And I knew that I was in a stage in my life where I might be older than some of the professors. And I got into my first choice, and the rest is history.